Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Joren, or Triplus as I like to make myself known online. And I do want to start this video by wishing all of you a very healthy and happy and social and whatever else you want 2021. It's been a tough year last year, so let's hope that 21 is much better than what we've had the past, I don't know, 9 months or something like that. So that's all we can hope for. Diving into the new year, I got some presents and I will be sharing some of them with you, of course. This is the Philips Hue smart plug. I know the Ikea ones are much cheaper, but I just wanted to dive into this one. It's also much smaller, which is nice in the end. It takes up less visible area, and it's a fun little toy to play around with, I guess. So let's get to unboxing it. I did cheat a little bit and I got this thing open already, because normally I'm just very bad at getting stickers and sticky things off boxes. So let's see what we have here. Oh, so this is the smart plug. Let's take a look. It's still in plastic. I think we can get this off one way or another. Oh, we should be able to. There we go. There's a little user manual in here, it seems. What's the difference? This is the instructions. I see pictures already. Oh, okay. It's like this. I didn't realize. So I guess it won't be Bluetooth. I think it will be this line here, but it should automatically start pairing. I guess it's what they're trying to say. Let's get all this out of the way. So here we have the little smart plug. It's much smaller. There's nothing too special about it. It's a plug. And we have a little button here, I think, to manually switch the state, which is something I don't think the TRÅDFRI switches have, which could be useful just in case you don't have your phone handy or whatever else you use to control this. You can just click the little button here. Let's try plugging this one in and let's connect it to my Deconz device. Okay, so we moved a little bit because the extension cable I have is a little bit too short. But here we have the Philips Hue, and let's try plugging it in, I guess. So let's hope it works, of course. That's always the tricky part. I do see a little green light here in the top right corner of the switch. And let's see if my Deconz wants to find it. So we should be searching right now. Let's see if it gets found. I don't see the light as green anymore. Oh, something showed up. On-off plug unit 10. Okay, let's take a look. We can stop searching. Now let's leave name for now. Let's add a new group. Oh, no, I'm just going to add it to the office group for now. Doesn't really matter. How do you do this again? It's been a while. Manage lights. I want to add this one. Save. I can hear it clicking. I don't think you guys can. I should have thought about a way of showing you guys that it's actually working. Yeah, this is a good one. I don't really have anything that I can plug in there easily in order to show you guys that it's working. Is there a light? Oh, there's a green light, so now it's on. And if I click it again, the light is red. Okay, you can see this little light over here, so now it's red. I clicked it, now it's green. I just want to try, where's this button? Here. So this is also happening, so it's going on and off when I click the button. However, I don't think the switch itself, like in Deconz, is being reflected. I do want to try to add this to my Home Assistant. I may have to restart Home Assistant in order to get this working. Let's take a quick look to the Deconz. Oh no, it's here, it's here. So let's see, it's on. Is that right? Yes. Okay, it's off. Okay, so in Home Assistant at least, it's responding to the... Oh, it's a bit slow. It works. It's not instant. I do remember that when using the TrÅDFRI hub in the past, I completely switched over to Deconz, but when I was using the TrÅDFRI hub, the reaction of doing it between the TrÅDFRI hub and Home Assistant was instant, or close to instant. This has like 5 seconds delay, I guess. I'm not sure if it's because there's something on my side being a bit slow, but it's good enough for me. This will be mostly for reporting if things are on or off, so 5 seconds delay won't really change the world, I would say. But yeah, this is, well, it's a small and simple device. It works the way it's supposed to work. At least I hope. I haven't tested actually plugging something in, but I'm just going to assume that it does. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I have quite a few other devices I still want to test and play around with, so stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.